In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to use the new checkboxes in Excel to create, in this example, an attendance tracker. Now, in your standard channel, not the beta channel, you will not actually see this checkbox here in the Insert tab. In order to get this checkbox, you will have to go to File, go down to Account, and then slide over to your Microsoft 365 Insider. Then click the first option here called Change Channel. Here you can choose your Microsoft 365 Insider channel, either the current channel preview or the beta channel. The beta channel is where you will actually get this checkbox. So go ahead and select beta channel, and then you will have the opportunity to use this new feature and any new features that Excel is rolling out early to the beta channels. Now for this example, let's say for argument's sake that you want to add a checkbox to every single day of the week, and here are your students. Now of course, Shae being the best student should have 5 checkboxes. However, we want to make sure that everyone also has a weekly total that passes, let's say 3 or 4. Now to begin, what you're going to do is select the first cell that you want to insert a checkbox into, click insert, and then come over here and just select checkbox. Much better than the developer tab that we've been used to in the past. Go ahead and drag the fill handle across, and then of course all the way down. Now you have the ability to mark any checkbox as true or false. You also see that up here in the formula bar. Every time that we select a box here, you'll see that it says false currently. And as we check the box, you'll see a true come back. So in order to see how many checkboxes were marked for each student this week, we are going to use the count if function. So select equals count if, and then select it. And of course it would be for the range for each student. Press comma, and then remember the true and false after we selected each checkbox. So what criteria do we want to measure? If we selected false, we would get 5 if they were all empty, but we're going to go ahead and type true. It's going to give us a prompt here. You can select that prompt, press enter, and then here you will see the count for each of those checkboxes. I hope you guys found this new checkbox function as valuable as I did, and please consider subscribing if you did, and leave a comment down below letting me know what your favorite function is in Excel, and I will be sure to do a video on it. That way we can help out as many other Excel enthusiasts as possible.